LGBTQ 1 Minute News, let's grip the USA view. Trump administration formally rescinds Biden-era LGBTQ foster care protections. The Trump administration has formally rescinded a Biden-era rule aimed at helping LGBTQ children in foster care access safe, supportive, and affirming placements. Introduced in 2024, the rule required federally funded child welfare agencies to identify affirming foster homes and provide staff training. Although a federal judge blocked the rule before it took effect in 2025, the administration has now officially removed it. The Department of Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Adams said, quote, "The message that we think it sends is that all families are welcome. We have too few foster families nationally. We must roll out the red carpet, and we must ensure that there's homes there waiting on kids, not kids waiting on homes," end quote. Representative Mark Takano, however, criticized the decision, saying rescinding the rule without an alternative puts children at risk. No placement policy has been announced. Well, you know, when we all thought Donald Trump couldn't be a more awful human being, he's trying to make sure that children aren't necessarily placed in loving homes, that they could just be put in a big home. Isn't that just nice, ladies and gentlemen? That's just a wonderful day, right? You know, this is what we deal with.
And this is, another way for the government to fail to help the most vulnerable among us. I mean, they're children, for God's sake. I mean, so you're basically saying that, the whole thing about, these parents would not have opened their doors to foster children if we limit or put training on foster parents on how to deal with LGBTQ kids. Maybe they shouldn't be foster parents in the first place if they are going to be so bigoted about it.
Thoughts, Larry?
Well, why put a child in with the wrong match and, create PTSD? I mean, that's
the whole point.
Of course.
Exactly. Yeah. And that was our third story about a giant turd today. And that is an LGBTQ 1 Minute news story. There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.